Hello my friends, today we will visit some goat farms to see the process of raising millions of goats around the world, as well as the products created from them. Goats are important livestock for agriculture in many countries. Goat meat is not only delicious, but also highly nutritious with a lot of health benefits. That's why more and more people around the world are favoring it. They are also good grazers and can help maintain pastures by eating weeds and overgrown grass. So they are very suitable for rural areas or small families, like this family farm in Taiwan. Are there any goats like these near your place? There are many different types of goat farm, depending on the region and country. There won't be enough time to introduce them all. So today, I will focus on the main goat farms, which are for meat and for milk production. Both will be featured in this video, so let's explore. Firstly, we need baby goats. Here are some pregnant goat mothers. After being born, these baby goats will receive special care. To feed baby goats, we can use goat milk or milk replacer specifically made for them. Feeding should be done using a bottle with a nipple or a bucket with a teat. During the first week, they should be fed every 2 to 3 hours. Weaning can begin at around 2 to 3 months old, but should be a gradual process over several weeks. After about 4 to 6 weeks, they can start eating hay. Regular health checks and vaccinations are important to ensure their well-being. After about 2 to 3 months old, the goats will be raised in the main barn, together with the female goats for milk production. Raising for milk is popular in countries like Australia, New Zealand, and the Netherlands. On the other hand, raising goats for meat is popular in countries as China, Romania, Pakistan, and India, mostly in Asia. Of course, for meat production, mostly male goats are raised. The goats here are fed with a modern feeding system. Their food mostly consists of grass and various grains to provide vitamins. Hay is also provided to create a suitable living environment. Of course, the goats also eat it. After 6 months, the goats have reached a weight of around 35 to 40 kilograms. They are then taken to the slaughterhouse. Let's discover the next step, which is goat meat processing. The goat meat is processed using the halal method, which is popular in the Middle East and India. They remove the goat's leg bone and body fluid, and remove the skin and fur before processing the meat. Goat legs are also popular as a food item, so they are cleaned and prepared separately. After that, the internal organs are removed, and the goat's body is washed clean. Now, let's move on to the final step in processing goat meat. This factory has 2 main products: frozen and exported whole goats. and sliced meat packed in boxes. Let's take a minute to look at the process. Have you tried goat meat? How do you feel? Now, let's go back to the process of harvesting goat milk. Goats are milked every day. Depending on each goat's weight, they can produce between 1.5 to 3 liters of milk per day. At this goat farm, they have an incredibly modern milking system. The system is a circular machine that milks the goats as they stand on the platform. The goats are even fed while they are being milked to prevent any disturbance. The machine rotates, and after one full cycle, the milk for that day is fully collected. It's amazing to see how this automatic system has completely freed up human labor and made the milking process more efficient. Once the goat milk is collected, it will be taken to the milk processing plant. As goat milk is too popular already, today I will introduce the process of producing cheese instead. Every day, goat milk is brought from the farm to the processing plant within 24 hours. It is then heated at a temperature of 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. Once the milk has been heated, rennet is added. Rennet is an enzyme that helps to thicken the milk, causing it to form curds. Once the curds have formed, they need to be cut into small pieces. This helps to release more whey. After the curds have been cut, they are stirred and heated up to 53 degrees Celsius. After that, it is transferred to the mold to get shaped. Finally, the cheese needs to be aged. This allows the flavors to develop and gives the cheese its characteristic taste and texture. The cheese is stored in humid cellars at a temperature around 13 degrees Celsius. The aging time for goat cheese can vary depending on the type of cheese and the desired flavor. After the cheese is aged, it is ready for market. Thank you for joining me today on this tour of the goat farm. I hope you found it interesting and informative. We learned about raising baby goats, the processes at the slaughterhouse, and milking the goats to produce delicious cheese. It's amazing to see all the hard work that goes into producing high-quality goat products. I hope you enjoyed learning about the different stages of goat farming and how the goats are taken care of with love and care. By supporting local farmers and purchasing their products, we can continue to support sustainable agriculture and preserve traditional farming practices. And don't forget to like my video, subscribe and turn on notification. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you on our next adventure. Goodbye.